Have you ever twied? Twied. Have you ever twied? Have you ever tried to weld a spring? Let me tell you something. This little booger right here has been the cause of some of my less finer moments over the last 24 hours. I sat with these parts for 2 whole days before I had a clear vision of what I was going to do with them. And being from the Gulf Coast, raised on the beach, sometimes when I lack inspiration, I think my mind goes home to the water, to the ocean, to the beach. And it's like it's a safe haven for me, and I pull a lot of inspiration from there. But let me tell you what, I am really enjoying the mystery boxes just from the challenge aspect of it, because these are materials and things that I would not normally use to produce a sculpture, so I'm kind of painted in a corner and said, perform, Dance, monkey, dance. Make me a sculpture, monkey, make me a sculpture. I like that because it causes me to, I have to work with the materials provided, which is a lot of fun and also a lot of frustration, but it's a good exercise in making do with what you've got. So this, I think Diver Dan here, I think I'm going to call him Diver Dan. Why not? I think Diver Dan here turned out really nice. I'm pleased with his overall aesthetic, given the materials that I was provided. So yeah, I'm Jason. This is Diver Dan. This is Works by a Hearst. I'll see you guys in the next one. Maybe we can I Dream of Jeannie this one. You know what is she? Put Dan down. Should I cross her arms and go? Did it work? Do you remember that device from the 1990s called it was called the Epilady, and it was basically a coiled spring. It was a handheld electrical device, and women would let their leg hair grow out a little bit, and then they would turn this device on, and the spring would rotate, and they would run along their legs, and the spring would grab the hair like that. It hurts when I laugh. And it would rip the hair out by the roots. And the thing was, if you used the Epilady, you wouldn't have to shave for, a month because it would just pull the hair out forcefully. God, it sounds horrible. Horrible. Whoever thought that should get kicked in the nuts. I assume it was a guy. I can't imagine a woman ever saying, you know what? We really should rip our hair out by the roots, and then we wouldn't have to shave. Oh, God. That would probably be worse than getting a tattoo. I'm going to say that's worse than getting a tattoo.